Hello student, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to the robotics session. In the last session, we learned about a serial monitor. In today's session, we learn about a potentiometer. You may be thinking that what is the potentiometer? In simple word, potentiometer is a variable resistor. It is also known as spot or knob. As you seen in the figure, it has three terminals. VCC, ground, and the middle terminal is the output. VCC means we have to give the 5-volt supply to that pin. And ground, as you know, where we connect in the circuit. Actually, you have seen that in between VCC and ground, there is a resistor connected in between that. And the middle terminal is the output. From there, from output and VCC, we have to take the variable output voltage or the resistance. The potentiometer acts as an adjustable voltage divider also. This pot is available in the different values. Like if you buy a 10K pot or 22K pot, then in the 10K pot, the values of the potentiometer will be changed from 0 ohm to 10 kilo ohm. Potentiometer are used in the variety of applications. First, for the robotics purpose, it is used to adjust the speed of the motor, and it is also used to control the loudness or volume of the amplifier circuit. And the potentiometer is available in the small form also, which is used to the fine adjustment of the circuit. Here is the connection of the potentiometer with the Arduino is given. And now we are trying this potentiometer in the Arduino with the Tinkercad software. Let's see that. Now we are trying the potentiometer with Arduino in a Tinkercad software. Here, as you know that we are connecting that potentiometer with the Arduino. As we know that the 3 pins are there, the first and the last means first pin is connected to the 5-volt supply and the last pin is connected to the ground of the circuit, and the output pin is connected to the A0 of the Arduino pin. Here A0 to A5 are the analog pins of the Arduino, and 0 to 13, these 14 are the pins of the digital pins of the Arduino. Here we can write, understood the code of the Arduino with potentiometer. The main aim of our program is to learn how to read the output value from the potentiometer sensor and display it on a serial monitor. As you are learned in the last session, a serial monitor, we are displayed the output of the potentiometer on the serial monitor screen. Here, firstly, as we know that potentiometer is an analog sensor, hence output of the potentiometer is coming in the from 0 to 1023. So these numbers are in the form of an integer. So we have to store in the form of an integer. We first declare the sensor value and store in that integer. So in this next, we have to give the void setup. In the void setup, we declare the pins and its mode. The output of this potentiometer comes to the A0 pin. So we have written in the round bracket first A0, which is the analog pin and which is the input pin. We are given input to the Arduino from the potentiometer. So we have write input. Then as we have to print the result of this on a serial monitor, so we have write this command serial.begin and we have to give the semicolon after that, and the curly bracket is here completed. Next, in the void loop session, we are actually put the logic of the program. here we are the value of the potentiometer is coming from the analog read, because we are given the output of the potentiometer is to the A0 pins. So here analog read is coming, and we at what pin? A0 pin. So sensor which output of that potentiometer is comes is stored to that sensor value, and we have to display it on the serial monitor. So we have to give this command serial.println in brackets sensor value, and then we have to give the semicolon. At the last we given the delay of 1000 millisecond. We have given the delay because potentiometer basically a print one value after every 1 second. If we do not put a delay, then serial monitor will print multiple values in 1 second. So we have given that delay 1000 millisecond. So here our program is complete. So we see the simulation of the program. So we have to click start simulation. Then we see the serial monitor screen. Here, as we move the knob direction, then the potentiometer values will be changes. Here you can see that the pot is moving here. Then the potentiometer output value is a changes, and at the end it becomes a 1023. So from this we conclude that as we move the knob, the output of the potentiometer will be changed. So we get different output. Here the output reading of the potentiometer are coming. Okay. So we are changing the name of our program is potentiometer here. And we have to click here. Okay, then your program name will be displayed here. Hope all of you will understand. Okay, thank you.